Many students are great at counting units of tens to 100. In second grade, we're looking at counting units of tens past 100. So many students will know 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. But what comes next? Some of that is simply counting by tens past 100. So we want students to be able to not only count 10 tens as 100, but 110, 120, 130, 140, etc. This is important partly so that students can add 10 mentally even when it's above 100. But there are also some other implications. Please notice when we're making models, we try to keep groups of 5 in a row and 2 rows to make 10 so that we can see we're just one 10 away from another 5, which would be 150. So students may know 140, and they may even know 140 is 104 tens. Students really get the idea of 10 tens being 100 in a lot of cases in second grade. All of that work in first grade and the excitement of making 100 helps them to do so. But do they also see 140 as 14 tens? On my place value disk here, I use 10 tens to make 100 and 4 more tens. There are 14 tens. That's an important piece of really focusing on place value and understanding place value in flexible ways. But why, you might ask? There are so many reasons. And I'll just show you 3 of them. When we look at taking 80 from 140, we're taking 8 tens, not from 4 tens, but from 14 tens. Seeing this number of 140 as 14 tens will help them. 14 tens minus 8 tens gives us 6 tens. We have to, whether you trade your 100 for 10 tens and make this 14 tens, or you just look at it and say, I know this is 14 tens, both ways, that idea of 14 tens is important. That transfers to work with decimals because in the same way, 1 2 tenths minus 9 tenths, we need to trade our 1 into 10 tenths, and we will end up with 12 tenths. And in our own experiences, buying cars and other expensive items, we might see this number as 1,400, but we'll also see this as 1,400s. We are flexible in this way between thousands and hundreds, and we want students to have that same flexibility regardless of the place.